Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix App Store not downloading apps. So guys, if you try to download apps from App Store and it's not working, then I'll show you how can you fix it very easily. So for the first method, what you need to do is just simply you have to open setting, and firstly if you are using Wi-Fi, just simply you have to go to Wi-Fi and make sure that you have strong connection with Wi-Fi. If you don't have, just simply forget the network and try to rejoin it, and if possible try another one. Then go back from here, and if you're using mobile data, just simply you have to go to mobile data, and from here guys just simply have to go to mobile data option and make sure that if it's checked on 4G or 5G. Then go back from here and make sure that if low data mode is turned off, and then go back and after that check whether your problem has been fixed or not. And if once suggest there guys, then what you need to do is just simply have to close this page from here, and after that just simply have to open App Store, and from here guys just simply have to wait some second and just simply tap on your Apple ID panel. From here just scroll it down all the way and just simply have to sign out from your device, and just simply have to turn off your device and then turn it on again, and just simply you have to sign in again and then check whether your problem has been fixed or not. And if once gets there guys, then what you need to do is just simply have to open settings, then you have to scroll it down a bit and tap on general, then scroll it down from here and go to date and time section. And from here guys, make sure that if this toggle is turned on and if this toggle is also turned on. Okay guys, if both of these toggle is turned off and your date and time is incorrect, that's why you're facing this type of error. So you have to make sure that if both of these toggles are turned on, and then go back from here and then check whether your form has been fixed or not. And once it's there guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to open settings again, and then you have to scroll it on from here, and just simply you have to tap on general, scroll it down all the way. From here guys, just simply tap on transfer is type on, then tap on reset. From here you have to tap on reset network setting. So from here guys, you have to put the passcode and just simply have to tap on reset and network setting. So you have to reset your network setting. After that your network setting will be reset, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if once it gets there guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to open setting, then you have to scroll it on, tap on channel, then go to software update, and make sure that if you don't have any pending update, if you have, just simply have to update your device, and then you have to force restart your device, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.